So now it's project exhaust. I've got some flexi pipe, 3-inch. I've got a couple of brackets and some more flexi joiners. And I've got the silencer here, ready to go on. And I've got to get rid of all that and fit this here and going up the stack. And we're going to move the stack round to this side. So we need to get some more brackets as well to bolt onto here. And then we'll have the silencer and that going up there. This is the old one, which there is still a bit of meat in it, but it's gone in the wrong places. You know, you might weld that, but it's very, very thin, so I doubt it. Thought I'd just have a quick look and get some tools ready, but turns out I don't think I need many for that part. I mean, knife. I wonder how far that goes up. Or is that stuck in there? Oh, I don't know. So it looks like, I mean, it's gone here, but above there is not too bad, actually. So that's a relatively bit of straight bit there with a bit of room on it. So I think if we put one of them flexi joiners on and we put it, if it will go over there, put it on that end coming down, and it will bend. Another section there into the silencer. Job done, in theory. Wow. So I want the new exhaust to come up the side of the cab, I think. So I'm going to have that in line there. So I've picked some holes in the chassis here, 1 and 2 that I can get to. And I'm going to put a straight bit down and then a straight bit across. And these are self-tapped. So with an L-shaped bracket in there, that should hold that exhaust on. That'll be in line for our U-bend at the front, and then in line for our U-bend up the side. But we'll see how that goes. I think that will do. Get that welded, tacked on, Unimog side, into the exhaust will go up there like that. Let's see. So, exhaust bracket ready. So I'm thinking here that step's got to come off. I didn't do a great job of making it in the first place, and it will give me some more room to work if I have it out the way. So the trouble I'm having here is the joiner's too close now to the silencer. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to pick another set of bolt holes in the chassis and move the silencer back, which wasn't the plan, but we'll move it and see how it goes. I've also just made a little support bracket at the front that fits into a pin, into a hole that was already in the chassis, so fairly happy with that. So after a lot of ordering wrong bits and bits that don't do what I thought they should do, I've had these ordered, and this slides perfectly up over the Unimog end with a clamp, and it will slide perfectly into this flexi tube to extend it onto the silencer. So that bit will be done properly and it should seal nicely, and I've done a good job, fingers crossed. Right, let's put this on there. See where it needs to be. I say it will go straight up. Some pliers. Oh, you silly thing. There you go. Well, the trouble is now, that's an awful. Why is that not on there? I wondered it. Because it's not quite 90, is it? That's why. that the other ones were. I can get it to like there. So I need to join that. Yeah, I got the right bits this time. Sort of. I always do. Quite low level. It's no lower than anything else. We could give it a tap. Make it go up there a bit, I suppose. Well, in theory, that flexing height should do that. So the flexing height goes over that column. I wonder if I can rotate that. Get it on for a bit of an example. And then, yeah, if you slid him back round. The thing that I can never get is, so that requires a measurement, doesn't it, to cut that precisely. But how do you do that unless it's lined up? I've got no idea. So I mean, I just cut this big bit off so I can at least get it near and then swing it round and see where we are. Surely that's what you've got to do. Well, we have got plenty of flexi pipe, not that that's the point, but we have. I'm going to take the lights off. Right. No, wrong one. Change that. Would like that up some more, I must say. Trouble is, it starts bending up there, so I haven't got a lot more to go, but I mean, it's hanging down, but no, you know, you've got the diesel tank at the same height. I mean, I'm not going rock climbing with it, am I? You know? Right, let's get this cut and see. I don't want to cut it too short. Cut that twice exactly if you painted it. Right, so if you swivel round, you're going to want to be. What's this collar say? I need to loosen that collar really. Couple of 13s. I don't want that to fall either. It's not like I'm going to bolt that in as well. Which are 17s, I believe. That's 19 Samuel. That's 17. Yep. 17. Will it be in the drawer? Hold tight. Yes. getting better. Now I need to learn to put these back. Right. 13s. When I do it just with it's also okay, use the gun. Go, but is it that? Yeah, so we've got so this is going to come out there. So in theory, what's cutting down there? Spin that. Let's go there. Where are we at? Play on there. I mean, that ain't far. That ain't far away at all. So, to put it all together though, I'm going to have to try and with him. It would give me a bit of movement, but it's going to come off that hanger there. So I need to support this again. So, U-bend fits, flexi pipe fits, bracket fits with a sleeve in the middle. I mean, it would be nice if I had a matching bracket to that coming out the other side of that pin, if there's space. But anyway, that's it for now. Got to clamp that end up, clamp that end up. Brackets are on, silencer is on, and it's time to fit the stack. I found some flat bar from the scrap bin and used those to bolt onto the exhaust clamps to support its weight and hold it in place away from the cab. I didn't fancy drilling more holes in the side of the cab if I didn't have to. Knowing my luck, they'd be in the wrong place. She's in. She's on. I'm gonna get some, gonna take these off and paint them black to match in, but it's level up the side. Got my little extension on the top, good polish, job done. Got a sleeve in there, over there, joiner to some flexi. I'm hoping that's clamped it up enough, but I'm not sure on that. I might need to get a different joiner, but we'll see. Probably a little hole in there, but we'll have a look. Not bad for a farm boy in his workshop. I'm not a welder, I'm not a fabricator, but I have got an exhaust that looks half tidy that'll do a job, and that's good enough for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my Instagram and TikTok's SMV Limited. Thanks for watching.